going, everybody? Back in the garage. It feels like it's been a month. I'm sure it's only been like a week and a half though. I want to say thanks to all my new subscribers. Went over 1,000. I'm stoked. Still going up. We're doing good. So thank everybody for subscribing and sharing my videos and liking them. It means a lot. It's really cool. So it's time to get back on the Chevelle motor. It's just been sitting over there covered up. So new main seal in it, rear main seal. So I'm gonna go ahead and I actually got a torque wrench that'll go up high enough now. It's a really expensive one, so we'll see how good it works.
This here, in this beautiful case, it's actually a nice case, is the Harbor Freight Pittsburgh half-inch torque wrench. Yeah, my Craftsman ones, this one only goes up to 80 foot-pounds. This is an inch-pound wrench, so it ain't gonna help me.
Pull all these main caps and just make sure that when we did have that low oil pressure issue that we didn't score any main bearing. You can change the rear main seal without pulling all the caps, just by pulling the rear one, but I wanted to check all those bearings, so I pulled them all. Alright guys, sorry if I have you on a weird angle. So rear main seal is right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt to just tap on it right here. Pull the screwdriver. Very carefully, don't touch the crankshaft, whatever you do. Okay, so we got it up here. You guys can see that coming up there. So, a little bit more. Using my finger now. Okay. Alright, now we're going to have some silicone down in there. I'm going to have to try and get that out the best I can. Put some more silicone on the new rear main seal. Slide it back in the same way. Put the mains back on and suck it back together.
Alright, so brand new Federal Mogul, so we're gonna run on it. Alrighty, stick. I need to try and clean some of this oil up so the silicone will stick. I think that's it. So we got it all cleaned up. Silicone in here. Just run my finger through there to make sure it's spread pretty even. Okay. So this goes like so. A lot of silicone there, that's good. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to push this, I'm not going to line it up flat. I'm going to leave a little bit on, about 3/8 of an inch hanging up on the other side. Actually, it works really good using a zip tie. It's leaving a nice bead in there. So, just a little bit on the ends, not like, just like skim coat right there.
So I'm just cleaning this real quick with some acetone. together. Grab some more clean rags. I gotta clean out that oil pan, get all the oil and the surfaces all cleaned up. We'll clean this surface up real good with some acetone. Make sure there's no oil on it. We'll put our timing chain cover on first. Get that all set on there, and then we'll set our oil pan on and seal this thing back up. Then we'll put some tape on the exhaust ports and tape out the valve covers, whatever we need to do. Sand what we need to sand, paint it, get ready to put it back in. Alright, so I went ahead and I got the oil pan all cleaned, everything out of it. I got the silicone off of it. So right here, looks like.
Take our silicone here. Dab in the corners. And each one of those holes. Some glorious. Like that. Alright, so just put a little on the back here too. This has all been cleaned with acetone really well. And there's it sticking real well.
Alright, got all the loose paint off of there. So, I'm gonna probably sand it a little bit more. Throw some self-etching primer on it. That way it'll stick this time. Need to clean the block and stuff, but I really don't want to paint over these ARP bolts. And I don't have anything to put in there while I paint it. So, I think I might have some rubber hose or something. Maybe I can keep those looking shiny.
Not my best paint job, but I'm looking for go fast. The main thing is see this part. That looks pretty good. Let's see what these two have. Nice.
And that's that. Alright, now that we got it flipped back over, this is the part that we're going to see, and he wanted me to clean up, so we're probably going to at least spray the face of this. And he asked me to paint all this, cut this gasket right around the intake manifold, tape it off, and paint all that. So on both sides, cutting all that out. So, I gotta clean up the silicone mess that somebody did. It's not the way I do things, I'll tell you that much. We'll get her cleaned up, just a little refresh, and get ready to put her back in the old Chevelle. Hopefully everything will be good this time. Alright, nice fresh paint. Roll a rocker set up on here. It's a 1/6 and 1/7, I believe. I don't believe they're marked, but that's why they're different colors though, because they're different sizes. Alright, so she's all cleaned up and refreshed now. Probably polish up the valve covers and the manifold a little bit, but it looks good. No more chip paint. Paint it all up in here real nice. So next thing is getting it all back together. Got to get the clutch back on it. I hope I have the right clutch tool here for it. I should. Get this thing out of here and get the Chevelle back over here and put this thing back in it. I do have a few more projects I have to do. I have a fabrication project. I need to. I'm building some railing for somebody, so hopefully we'll have that motor back in next week sometime once we get this other stuff out of the way. Thanks for watching. Really excited about getting that 1,000 subscriber mark, getting the monetization, so that's really cool. Every penny's gonna help my family out. So thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned. We will be getting this thing back in the Chevelle soon, and get her tuned up and do some burnouts. 56 is painted, so Bel Air is going to be back in a few weeks. So we got to get working here. I've been, if you guys are wondering where I've been for the last week, I haven't posted anything. I've been helping my mom out over at my grandma's condo. We're doing a little refurbishing over there, we repainted the whole place, put in a new kitchen. I just got all the cabinets done yesterday. A few more things I gotta help her with over there, so hopefully I'll be back in the garage filming soon. I didn't film any of that because it's kind of boring stuff for you guys, so well, I hope you guys liked it. Thanks. So I totally almost forgot. I'm gonna be filming something special for my 1,000 subscriber thank you video. Hopefully, probably not this weekend, but the weekend after, we're gonna have some stuff go down. So you guys stay tuned for that. Alright, so I want everybody to check out Dorito and the Lucha Cabre, Fan 1701, Etard Adventures, and Bubsification. Those guys all rock. They have cool channels. Check them out. Give them a little support. Give them a little love. And thanks for watching.